Good morning, children. Welcome back to the Geo class. I hope you all are reading and safe in the house and healthy also. I wish you all the children to be healthy and fit, and even you should learn happily in the house itself. Okay, last class I covered Greater Himalayas, yes children, and you learned that the Greater Himalayas are young and old mountains. Very good. And even you learned about 3 parallel Himalayan ranges. Which are they? Himachal, Himadri and Shivaliks. I said to collect the story. Do you remember? I think you didn't get the story. It is nothing, children. It is all about Bhagirathi and Shiva's story, because it is related to this area. And why I am connecting you people here about the story is to make you to know about our mythology related to our physiographic learning. That's it, children. Now let us come back to the subtopic. Today's subtopic: how the Himalayas are located according to and latitudinal wise. Children, what is longitude? You have learned in the previous classes, yes? Longitude means a imaginary line drawn from north to south on the globe. North to south on the globe is called as longitude. The imaginary line drawn from west to east is called as latitude. Yes, division means keeping the longitude and latitude division, even the Himalayas have been divided. Let us learn about that in today's subtopic, and that subtopic is longitudinal divisions of Himalayas. How they have done, children? They have not simply drawn like longitude, and they did not say that east to west, north to east. No, they have made one demarcation. They have kept one concept to say river valley, keeping the basic of river valleys. They have divided the Himalayas into the 4 category. Children, here you can see in the northmost area, western India, there is a Indus river and Sutlej river. Indus river and Sutlej river. The area which comes under this are called as Punjab Himalaya. The Himalayan ranges which lies in between the Indus and Sutlej is called as Punjab Himalaya. Even locally it is called as Kashmir Himalaya. Even they call it as Himachal Himalaya. Whatever the name, you keep it in your mind. Indus to Sutlej they call, according to the geographically, as a Punjab area, locally they called Kashmir Himalaya and even Himachal Himalaya. This area. Understood, children? Now next, from Sutlej to Kali river. Sutlej to Kali river, this area, in this area, whichever the Himalayan ranges comes, is called as Kuman Himalaya. It is called as Kuman Himalaya, and they divide it is like this, okay, from longitudinal wise and latitudinal wise. And from Kali to Tista river, from Kali to Tista river, this area, in this area which all the Himalayan ranges come is called as Nepal Himalaya. It is called as Nepal Himalaya, from Kali to Tista. In Tista to Biham, this area is called the Himalayan ranges which is present in between these 2 rivers is called as Assam Himalaya. Understood, children? Now, even with the longitudinal and latitudinal wise, the division of the India you have learnt now, and even they have divided in with this classification as a eastern western division of Himalaya. Understood, children? Here the river in the Sutlej, it drains away to the Arabian Sea, that is, it is flowing towards the west side and merging to the sea, so it is called as Western Yam. And here children, Tista and here Brahmaputra rivers which merges to the Bay of Bengal, so it is called as Eastern Himalayas. Children, this is another very important subtopic you have to learn, that is about the Purvanchal. Welcome back once again to the another subtopic, Purvanchal Himalaya. What is the meaning of Purvanchal, children? That this word is derived from the Hindi word, it in two words, where Purva means east, Chal means area. The mountains which is spreaded in east part of the India is called Puruchal, and it is also pronounced as Purvanchal. So that N and A don't get confusion, children. In some book they have given as a Purvanchal, and here in your textbook they have given Puruchal. Okay, and let us learn about this. This northeastern part, we can see the Himalayan ranges moving to the southwards. This area is called as Purvanchal area or Purvanchal Himalaya, and it is the part of the Indian boundary. How it is formed, children? How it is shaping our India? Because it is spreaded towards the south and it is bent. Who bended here? I have explained about the theory of plate tectonics. Yes, children. Now think my right hand is a Eurasian plate and my left hand is Indian plate. When it is colliding, my left hand finger side started bending. Okay, and this bending, like this, the Eurasian plate and collision of the Indian plate caused the eastern part of the Indian plate as to move towards to the southwards, and these south mountains became a boundary of mountain ranges, Himalayan mountain ranges, and it is made up of sand, stone and even sedimentary rock. About sandstone and sedimentary rock you have learnt in the previous class in 7th standard. Yes, children, even in the 8th standard also you have learnt. Sediment means pieces of rocks one by one, if it is compressing together and making a layer to layer and making itself as a formation of rock is called as a sedimentary rock, as a layer rock. And even the sandstone, because of the compression of the sand one by after one, the sand slowly becomes tight and becomes a stone, that is called as a sandstone. And this is because of this, here in this area we can see dense forest, and even it gets a high rainfall, and we can see beautiful hills, and it is also a hill station. We can see Patkai hills, Naga hills, Manipur hills, Mizo hills in this area. And in this area we have Digham Ghat. What is Ghat, children? It is a river flowing in between the two mountains. When rivers start flowing in between the two mountains, is called as a Ghat. Here many gorges are found here, and it creates a beautiful scenery, and even the hill stations are there. So the climate is very good, cool, and heavy rainfall is got, and dense forest. Because of this Purvanchal is very famous in the India. Okay, children, I covered two of the subtopics, that is longitudinal and latitudinal wise of the division of India, and even you learn and western Himalayas, and you learnt about the Purvanchal. By this we are completing the entire Himalayan ranges topic. In the next class I am going to explain about northern plains. And children, please do the map work. It is very important. And for each and everything, Himachal, Himadri, Shivalik and Purvanchal markings you have to do in the separate maps, so that you can understand in later on. Okay children?